Chicago, Illinois is a city that feels engineered for both spectacle and substance, and nowhere is that more obvious than in and around Millennium Park. Located in the heart of downtown, Millennium Park is not just a green space, it's a carefully designed urban experience. From the moment you step in, the city's scale feels intentional. Skyscrapers frame the park like a living backdrop, while wide walkways, open lawns, and reflective surfaces create a sense of balance between nature and steel. It's a place where Chicago shows off its ability to blend art, architecture, and public life seamlessly. One of the most recognizable features of Millennium Park is Cloud Gate, often called the Beam. While it looks playful and simple, its design is surprisingly technical. Made from polished stainless steel panels welded together so smoothly that seams are nearly invisible, the sculpture reflects the skyline and visitors in a distorted, almost surreal way. From a performance standpoint, it works as both art and infrastructure. It's durable enough to withstand Chicago's extreme weather while serving as a constant draw for photography, tourism, and public interaction. Just steps away, the J. Pritzker Pavilion highlights Chicago's reputation for architectural innovation. Designed by Frank Gehry, the pavilion combines bold, curving steel forms with high-performance acoustics. The steel ribbons aren't just decorative, they help define the structure and guide sound throughout the outdoor seating area. Even for people unfamiliar with architecture, the experience is noticeable. Music feels clear and immersive whether you're seated close to the stage or relaxing on the lawn. It's a strong example of how design can directly enhance performance and usability. Chicago's architecture tours take this appreciation to the next level by telling the story behind the skyline. Whether on foot, by bus, or most famously by boat along the Chicago River, these tours explain how the city became a testing ground for modern architecture. You'll hear about the birth of the skyscraper, advances in steel frame construction, and how function and form evolved together after the Great Chicago Fire. What makes these tours unique is how accessible they are. Complex ideas about engineering and design are broken down into engaging stories that anyone can understand. The buildings themselves serve as living case studies. From the historic Wrigley Building and Tribune Tower to modern icons like Aqua Tower, each structure highlights a different design philosophy. Some focus on efficiency and structural innovation, while others prioritize visual impact and sustainability. Together, they show how Chicago doesn't just preserve its architectural past, it constantly experiments and adapts, using the city as a canvas for progress. What truly sets Millennium Park and Chicago's architecture tours apart is how public-facing they are. These aren't experiences locked behind museum walls or reserved for professionals. They invite everyday people to interact with design, understand how cities function, and appreciate the thought behind the spaces they move through. Chicago sells itself not just as a place to visit, but as a place to learn, observe, and feel how architecture shapes daily life.